Hey everybody, how's it going at your house? It's going really good here. At my house, we have created a schedule that my kids and I stick to when we eat our breakfast, when we do our AMI work, and it's really helping. And so if you need ideas of sticking to a schedule, just email me or have your parents email me and let me know how I can help. Okay, so let's get started with today. It is April the 7th, 2020 today. A digital way to say that date would be 4/7/20. Who knows what the 4 means? Yeah, the 4 means the month, and this is the 4th month of the year. April is the 4th month of the year. Okay, the 7 is the day. That means it's the 7th day of April. And what's the 20 mean? Yeah, the 20 is the year. Okay, it's 2020. All right, today, again, like we did yesterday, we're going to do phonemic awareness. And if you remember from yesterday what that is, it's when we hear sounds in words. Okay, when we identify all those sounds in the words, when we can tell what the initial sound is, the medial sound, and the final sound in the word. And we also can change the sounds in the words to make new words. That's what phonemic awareness is. Let's get started. Okay, so just like we did yesterday, we're going to punch out the middle sound. I'm going to tell you the word, and I want you to punch the middle sound when you say it. Okay? Like this. I'm going to say, join. You'll say, join, and punch when you hear the middle sound. What is the middle sound in the word join? It's oi. Remember from yesterday, it's a diphthong. The oi sound is a diphthong because it makes our mouth move when we say it. Oi. It feels like we're saying two sounds, but it's just one sound. It's O and I together. Okay, let's do the next one. The next word is void. You say it and punch out that middle sound. Good. Void. Toil. Good. Toil. Yes. Loin. Loin. Oi again. Choice. Choice. The first sound is ch. The middle sound is oi. And the last sound is s. I've got a character here who is trying to distract me and make me laugh. Y'all say hi, Owen.
Hello.
He's saying hi to y'all. Okay. Let's do just a few more of these. You're doing so good. Soil. Soil. Okay. Oi. Oh. Great. 2 more. Foil. Foil. Okay, good. Voice. Voice. One more. Boil. Boil. Awesome job. We punched on all those oi sounds, and that's a digraph. All right, the next thing I want us to do is I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me how many sounds are in that word. Okay? Don't let those digraphs trick you. The first word I want you to sound out is joint. Just tell me how many sounds there are. You can hold your fingers up high in the air. Tell me tell me how many sounds there are. Joint. J-oi-n-t. Joint. 4. Coins. K-oi-n-s. Coins. Rejoice. R-e-j-oice. rejoice. Mouse. Ouse. Mouse. Flower.
Flower.
Great job. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do for phonemic awareness today is we're going to change some sounds. I'm going to say a word. I want you to say that word. And then I'm going to tell you a sound that I want you to change the initial position to. Like this. Coil.
Coil.
Boil. Come here, Owen, and do this with me.
Okay.
Okay. All right, can you see?
Uh-huh.
All right. Boil.
Boil. Foil.
Good. Foil.
Foil. Soil.
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 Now, you hang on a second. Let me see if they can do it.
Toil.
Toil.
Toil. Coil.
Yeah, great job. So phonemic awareness is all about changing those sounds, hearing those sounds in the words, and knowing how to spell them, being able to identify beginning or initial, medial or middle, and final or last sound in the word. Okay? All right, well, I want you to have a wonderful day. Owen, great job. Thanks for helping me.
Thank you.
And we will see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Howard parent, friends, and family. I'm glad to see you again. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. So we're going to go ahead and jump into what Miss McCook taught yesterday, the magic E rule. We know that when there's an E at the end of a word, it makes the vowel in that word long. So she talked about one-syllable words yesterday, and I want to just talk to you and give you a challenge about two-syllable magic E words. For example, if you see a two-syllable word in a book and you want to decode that word, this is how you would do it. You would find the vowels, and then there's a magic E, put the stars over the magic E, and then you draw your bridge. Next, you find the consonants. In a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word, you always divide between the consonants. So now what I want you guys to do is I'm going to give you a word and I want to see if you can decode it. Before we do that, let's go back and look at this word. This word has been divided into two syllables. The first syllable is k, a, come. The second syllable is b, I, n, bine, combine. Combine means when you have two things and you put them together. It's combining, okay? So now I want to give you a new word to see if you can decode it on your own. Write these letters with me. D, I, S, P, U, T, E. Pause the video and see if you can decode this word. Great job. I hope yours looks like mine. So what I did is I found the vowels, then I labeled my consonants, and then when I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word, I divide between the consonants. And this word says d, is, dis, p, ut, pute, dispute. Dispute means when you have an argument or you disagree about something with someone. So maybe you just learned a new word and that's how you decode these big words. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to our rule for today. You guys have learned this in class. We sometimes refer to it as the floss rule. And what that means is if you have a word ending in S, F, L, or Z, and it's a one-syllable word and it has a short vowel sound, then that letter is doubled at the end of the word. So sometimes, again, we refer to that as the floss rule. So I've got my friend up here, he's flossing his teeth. Another way that you can remember that rule is by saying, Sammy loves friendly zebras. Say that with me. Sammy loves friendly zebras. Say it fast. Sammy loves friendly zebras. Okay, so that's just another way that you can remember that rule. So let's go ahead and write some of those words. Your first word that I want you to write is the word fuzz. Before we write the word, let's go ahead and finger tap it. Fuzz. Tap it with me. Fuzz. Now you tap it. Go ahead and write the word fuzz. Great job. Okay, our next word is the word off. Watch me. Off, off. Tap it with me. Off, off. Tap it by yourself. Write the word off. Great. Okay, our next word is the word chess. Ch-S, chess. Tap it with me. Ch-S, chess. Tap it by yourself. Okay, write the word. Next is the word shell. Watch me. Sh-E-L, shell. Tap it with me. Sh-E-L, shell. Tap it by yourself. Great, now write the word shell. Last word. Muff. Tap it with me. Muff. Tap it by yourself. Now write the word muff. Great job writing these words, guys. Okay, so now it's time for you to go ahead and read the words on the page to your parents or to your adult with you. And then last, I want you to go ahead and try to expand the sentence down below. The sentence says, read it with me, I saw a shell. When we want to expand a sentence, we want to use an adjective. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So for example, if we're looking to expand this sentence, make it more detailed, what kind of shell? Was it big? Was it small? Was it bumpy? Was it smooth? Okay, what color was it? Also, where were you when you grabbed this shell and you saw this shell? You could expand it even that way too. So good job, guys. I'm proud of you for decoding these words, writing these words, and then writing these beautiful sentences. We'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today is April the 7th, and we are going to be working on the AMI math problem for the day. This is the problem that you will be doing. Okay, this is the page you should be on, April 7th. It is a word problem today. I'm going to read that to you really quick. Brandon and his family traveled 20 miles on Sunday and 23 miles on Monday. How many miles did they travel in all? Okay, one more time. Brandon and his family traveled 20 miles on Sunday and 23 miles on Monday. How many miles did they travel in all? Okay, before we solve this problem together, I want you to hit the pause button, take some time to work on this by yourself, and then once you're done, hit play and we'll solve it together. All right, are you ready to solve this together? Here we go. So our problem said that Brandon and his family traveled 20 miles on Sunday. I'm gonna go ahead and write that number 20 right here. 20 miles, okay? And they traveled 23 miles on Monday, okay? How many miles did they travel in all? Well, let's think about what that question is asking us. It's saying, how many miles did they go in all? Well, we know those words in all mean that we're gonna add, right? And we need to add all of the miles that they traveled all together, okay? So we have 20 miles on Sunday plus 23 miles on Monday. And we need to figure out how many miles that was in all, okay? So instead of drawing out 20 itty-bitty circles and counting from 1 to 20, what is a quicker way that we could model the number 20? Right, we can draw our base 10 blocks or our 10 sticks and ones, okay? So let's look at the number 20. How many groups of 10 are in 20? 2. So let's draw our 2 10 sticks. And don't forget to count, okay? 10, 20. Perfect. Now, we don't have any ones we need to worry about. So let's go ahead and hop over to the number 23, okay? So we have 20 plus 23. Now, 23 also has 2 sets of 10. Okay, so let's draw 1, 2 sets of 10. And now, are we gonna number these over here, 10, 20? No, because we already have 10, 20 here. So we need to count on. So we have 20. Let's count on. This would be 30 and 40. Now we're not done because 23 has 3 ones that we need to put in our model, right? So here we go. Let's draw 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now, I don't want to count these 1, 2, 3. I want to count on from what I have in my model, which is 40. So let's count on. 41, 42, 43. Okay, and that's it. You're all done. So when you add 20 plus 23, you get the answer of 43. Okay? So your equation should look like this. 20 plus 23 equals 43 miles traveled. Okay? Hopefully you got the correct answer. You did a wonderful job and I'm super proud of you. All right, guys, I will see you next time.